Fixing and Saving Lily the Cat Girl Ox, Part 3. Maybe we can do Sunny first.
Get out, Joe, don't te belongere.
We made her bald. Let's do the cream to remove the colors on her skin. It's done. Let's choose a gray shirt. Let's add some details on her. It looks like blue grew man true love. Perfect. Let's add the clothes. That's better. Let's see what they do.
I love you, Wanda! Let's get married and have a baby!
Oh, sorry, Gray. I don't like you like that.
What?
You're friend zone.
No, but I love you! Come back!
Oh, wait, I forgot something.
You came back?
Can I get your friend's number? He's totally cute.
No!
Girl just got heartbroken.
Let's do the makeover. She bald. Let's add that cream.
What cream?
That one cream for the skin. Done. Let's add the details. Perfect. Perfect. I would name it Ella. But wait, there's more.
Okay, fine, we can do more of them. Duh, I'm not going to do this.
Don't worry, Gino. I can do it.
Мистер Бист, рис, мистер Бист ест рис, посмотри вниз, там
Done is now finished. I will name her Amelia.